Let me show you how to create this text effect in Photoshop.
Go to Adjustment Layer, select Solid Color and choose Black Color and hit OK. Choose Type tool. Write your text. Press Ctrl A, align it vertically and horizontally. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift key and adjust it. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl J to make duplicate. Drag it down. Hide this layer. Drag it down. Unhide this layer. Double-click here to open blending option. Follow this settings. Hold Alt-Add, drag it up. Press Ctrl J. Hold Shift. And press Ctrl G to make group. Add layer mask. Select brush tool. Decrease brush size. Make sure foreground color is black. And opacity is 100%. Start brushing. Press Ctrl J. Drag it down. Drag it up. Select brush tool. Start brushing. Select both group layer and press Ctrl G. Now choose layer style and choose gradient overlay. Follow this settings. Choose hue and saturation. You can drag the hue left to right to change gradient color you like. To change the text, double-click to the text layer. Save it. That's it. Hope you liked it.